Hello, Namaste, Hara Har Mahadev. A long time ago, Indra, the king of heaven, committed a mistake. The wise sage cursed him, and he had to leave his kingdom and hide in a lotus flower. Without a king, the gods were worried. They needed someone powerful and wise to rule the heaven. After thinking a lot, they decided to make King Nahusha the new ruler. Nahusha was a great king on earth. He was kind, powerful, and had done many good things. But after becoming the king of heaven, he started enjoying power too much. He became proud and greedy. He wanted all gods to carry him in palanquin, a royal chair. Even the great sages had to carry him. One day, while they're carrying him, he insulted one of the sages. The angry sage cursed Nahusha. You have become too arrogant. You will become a giant snake and fall on earth. Suddenly, Nahusha transformed into a huge snake. Many years later, during the Pandavas' time, Bhima was walking in a thick forest. Suddenly, a giant snake caught him. Bhima struggled but couldn't escape. His brother Yudhishthira came, searching for him. When he saw Bhima trapped, he asked the snake, "Who are you? Why are you harming my brother?" The snake replied, "I am Nahusha, the fallen king of heaven. I was cursed to live like this. I will only be free if someone answers my questions." Yudhishthira was very wise. He answered all the Nahusha's questions perfectly. Hearing the perfect answers, Nahusha was finally free from the curse. He regained his human form and thanked Yudhishthira. Moral of the story: pride and arrogance can destroy even the great people. Thanks for watching. Hara Hara Mahadev. Please like, share and subscribe.